Today I delve into a unique domain of health and wellness that merges traditional knowledge with modern science. In fact, one of the remedies I'm going to talk about today helps with skin sag, and I know that's a top concern for many of you. Ayurveda and its application to anti-aging skincare. Ayurveda, which translates into the science of life, is a 5,000-year-old system of medicine originating from the Indian subcontinent. It offers a holistic approach to health. It emphasizes prevention and treatment of illness through lifestyle interventions and natural therapies. Novel idea, right? I know I and many of you practice this and believe in it. So I think it's very important that we discuss it a little more thoroughly. With Ayurveda, the skin is more than a protective barrier. It's a reflection of your inner health. Ayurvedic skincare involves addressing the root cause of skin issues, balancing our inner well-being, which then manifests on the outside as radiant, youthful complexion. You know when you meet someone, they look at you and they immediately judge your health by how you look. Are you tired? Is your skin dull? If you have eye bags, even though you feel good and rested, people say you look tired. It can be very difficult to take and depressing. So whether we like it or not, we're judged by it. How often do I say prevention is better than cure? And this is the exact opposite of how our health system is built today. You see, Western doctors are programmed to treat diseases. That's what we go to medical school for. But not us here on this channel. We are preemptive. While skin dullness, wrinkling, it's not a disease. It is our largest organ in the body, and it needs care and love, just like our other organs do. We seem to take care of them, our cholesterol, our kidneys, our liver, our insulin, our sugars. And while it reflects on our skin, many of us don't directly take care of our skin, and we need to. The concept of doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, representing the elemental forces of air, fire, and earth water respectively. It's central to Ayurveda. Imbalances in these energies within the body can lead to skin issues, including premature aging and dull, beaten up complexion. Now let's explore the top 5 Ayurvedic solutions that show promising potential in skin tightening and anti-aging at the same time. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine. It's rich in curcumin, which is an antioxidant that fights free radical damage, and that is one of the primary causes of skin aging. Topical application can rejuvenate the skin, reduce fine lines, and improve skin elasticity. It also has antimicrobial effects. Many people take it orally. Look for 800 milligrams of curcuma root if you are supplementing, and ginger has a great synergistic effect, so blending that is great. Don't forget to add black pepper or piperine to help with absorption. When you have access, when you find the actual turmeric root, some people have it, I have it once in a while in my local grocery store, the organic grocery store, you'll find it there. You want to take the root, peel it, add a bit of fresh ginger, bit of black pepper you can ground up, throw it in one of those bullets, add some water. It's an amazing shot. You can make it up. It'll last about a week or so. Take a shot a day. You will love it. Skin glow, antimicrobial, helps with infections, helps your joints, many systems in your body. I love turmeric. Number 2, AMLA or Indian gooseberry. AMLA is packed with vitamin C and has excellent anti-aging properties. It boosts collagen production, which is of course necessary for skin firmness and elasticity. AMLA can be consumed either topically again or in the form of an oil as a face pack. Number 3, ASHWAGANDHA. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen. It helps manage stress, which is a significant factor, of course, contributing to aging. Stress and poor sleep, both of those are important to manage. It also promotes the production of vital proteins and oils in your skin, which aids in skin tightening, which is what we're focused on today, and reducing wrinkles. My patients take this one for stress relief and hormone balance as well. So it's very commonly used after the age of 40. You want to look for 1,500 milligrams, and I combine mine with vitamin D and zinc for perfect balance. Ashwagandha, if you don't know about it, read up, study more, or I can do a complete video on it. Number 4 is NEEM, an all-time favorite of mine. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it can help reduce the signs of aging. It aids in skin tightening and reduces acne in particular. It evens out skin tone, and it gives a really nice glow when you apply it topically. Some people take it orally. I include it in my vitamin C and my Ultra Moisture formulations. It adds a glow, it soothes, and it helps with absorption of all the other active ingredients. One of my all-time favorites for sure. Definitely let me know below if you are using it. Now, on to number 5, sandalwood. Now, sandalwood with its natural oils can help decrease signs of aging like skin sag and wrinkles. This one's particularly good for skin sag, which I know is a problem for a lot of our viewers. It's in fact one of the number one reasons people come into my clinic. Doc, my face is sagging. But it hydrates and tightens the skin, and its cooling properties help soothe the skin as well. So it's often used post-treatments. We really need to merge these traditional methodologies with modern medical practices so that we can enhance strategies to maintain and restore skin vitality. It's not all about powerful retinols and alpha hydroxys and chemical peels, RF microneedling. A lot of times, addressing the root cause will minimize the need for more invasive procedures. Remember, focus on your root causes, be it lifestyle, diet, or even mental well-being for a comprehensive strategy in battling skin aging and to feel your best and enjoy your best life possible. You're now going to want to watch this video on how to make your own under eye cream and this one down here on the top 4 supplements for your best skin and body. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.